I want to share you more and more about the G code, because the G code G80 group 980 is the fixed cycle of 83, G83 trial cycle, topping cycle 84 group 9 is the trial hole and tops from synchronous topping cycle G84.2 group 9, G85 boring cycle, trial cycle 80 outside, topping cycle 88 group 9. Group 9 88.2 is the outside synchronous topping cycle. Outside boring cycle 89 group 9 is the group cycle bore hole and synchronous topping drill. G90 fixed cycle and the longitudinal turning cycle 90 group 9. Group 9 92 is the thread cycle. Group 9 94 is the fixed cycle B traverse turning cycle. Yes, the G code that I mentioned about is very important for CNC. If you don't know how this works, you can't work with CNC. I think that you understand. G94 is the cycle B traverse. G94, G96 group 17 is constant surface speed control. G97 group 17 is the constant surface speed of. G98 group 05 group 5 feet per minute asynchronous. Group 99 group 4 group 5 is group G99 is feet per revolution. I will detail more and more in G code, but now I only read for use. G109 is group 0. G109 is the simple program multi-system control. Cross machine control on. G110 group 20 cross machine off and on. G111 group 20 group 00 G112 is MSBT output to the opposite system. G122 group 18 G123 is the polar coordination input on and off. I will detail more and more. H radian command on, command off. G122.1 group 0 G1223.00 tornado cycle G170 13 measurable macro workpiece connectors measurement G136, G137 compression mass screw. That I mentioned all this G code is very important. If you want to G code, I will more and more detail. See you next time. Thank you for watching.